Student, how are you? I think that you are very well and stay at home. Welcome, Faridpur Virtual School, conducted by Madhav Chandra Das, Assistant Headmaster, Ishan Girls High School, Faridpur. My today's lesson for class 9 English first paper and writing part. Dear student, now let us follow the pictures from this slide or from this picture. We see a old man and 4 people or any other 4 people and a person in hand some sticks. This is another slide and old man is lying and 4 people and a man in some sticks. So dear student, now you understand that today's lesson is a story and it is on unity is strength. Learning outcome from this lesson. After we have studied this lesson, we will be able to listen information, ask and answer questions and write the story. Okay, from this slide we see a man and a village. So once there lived a farmer in a village. Wow, he had 5 sons. He had 5 sons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He had 5 sons. They used to quarrel. This is the sin of quarrel. They used to quarrel each other. There was jealousy, ill feelings and enmity among them. They started quarreling with a little pretext. So there was no peace in their family. কোন চলতেছে? হ্যাঁ, this made the farmer very worried. He thought to do something. He wanted to teach them a good lesson. One day he called his sons. From this picture we see the scene. One day he called his son. They all came. অর্থাৎ the sons all came. The farmer told them to bring some stick and ropes. They brought some sticks and ropes and gave it to their father. He tied the sticks in a bundle and gave it to his son to break. They all tried to break the bundle time and again but failed. Then the farmer untied the bundle and gave a single stick to each of his sons to break. They all broke the sticks very easily. Then the farmer told them that if you are divided like the single sticks, people will break you like the sticks, and if you are united, no one will do any harm to you. His son realized their mistakes and became united. Group work for you. After opening your class, I will divide it into groups, and then you work this evaluation. Answer the following question: what was the story about? What is the story about? How were the sons of the farmer? What did they do very often? Why was the farmer worried? Why did he call his sons? What is the moral of the story? The student, universal for you, united we stand, divided we fall. Thank you.